Greetings from Christian News and Interviews. I'm going to be in front of you for about 3 minutes. This won't take me long. I just wanted to give you an update on the Othal Wallace trial that's about to begin. Check this out right quick.
In court this afternoon, he's accused of shooting and killing Daytona Beach police officer Jason Rayner. Fox 35's Lara Greenberg was in the courtroom today. She joins us live with the latest on the story. Lara.
John, Othal Wallace was in court for just a couple of minutes today here in Volusia County, and he remained pretty calm while he was in there. You know, that this was just the first time that we've seen him since last year. It was just a quick update on his trial and to check on his status with his attorneys. But here's a look at him inside the courtroom from this afternoon. Now, Wallace is charged with murder of a law enforcement officer. Investigators say he shot Officer Jason Rayner last June and then took off, leading to a nationwide manhunt. He was found days later in a treehouse near Georgia and was then charged. Almost 2 months later, Officer Rayner died from injuries related to that shooting. The charges against Wallace were upgraded to murder, and Wallace could now face the death penalty. That's what came up today in court. The judge told Wallace his new attorneys were not qualified to handle death penalty cases.
As far as I've been informed, they will be able to bring someone in to handle that.
Okay, all right. So you want to stick with them for now?
Yes.
Okay.
And so what that means, what happened right there, is that there is going to be somebody who will join his lawyer team to help with the death penalty aspect of the case. And again, they did set a trial date for Wallace, and that is set for April of 2023. For now, we are live in Volusia County. Lara Greenberg, Fox 35 News.
Okay. Did you all catch that? This man has attorneys on his case who are not qualified to be on his case. Did you catch that? Now, back in, let's see what month it was. I think it was just last month. Here we are. I told you all that Ozone Wallace had retained an attorney. And the attorney's name was Terry Shoemaker. Now, I don't know if that's the same attorney that he has right now, but as of a month ago, he had a private attorney named Terry Shoemaker. And I even went over with you all the type of cases that he had handled. And at that point, I noted that they were not death penalty attorneys. Now, this character right here, see, there's a whole cast of characters in Ozone's life. And I'm going to get back to this Grim Reaper right here in just a minute. But first, let me share with you this information. Okay, so accused cop killer Othal Wallace will not stand trial until April of 2023. So he has a while before he stands trial. Jury selection, let's see, tentative date of April 3rd, 2023 was set for jury selection to begin. So he has a little while. Othal Wallace, the man accused of shooting and killing Daytona Beach police officer Jason Rayner, appeared in court Friday for a hearing. Wallace was flanked by his attorney during the hearing in Volusia County court Friday. The judge informed Wallace, which you all just saw on video, that his attorneys, who said they had been on the case for about a month, may not be qualified to serve in his criminal defense. Pause. Why did they take his money? Why did they accept his money? They know they're not qualified. We're going to get to the cast of characters in just a second. Wallace said that he had been made aware of those issues, but said that his defense would be able to bring someone in to handle his defense, and as such opted to stick with his current lawyers for the time being. Wallace did not say much during the hearing. A tentative date of April the 3rd, 2023 was set for jury selection to begin Wallace's murder trial. Okay, now this has been a clown show from the beginning. There was a point at which money was being raised for this man. And a whole cast of characters got involved. There were people out here selling their personal wares to promote their business. And Othal Wallace said he didn't even know this particular person who was selling things to collect money on his behalf. I believe he ended up asking the young man, please stop. There was another situation where this character right here, Danger Remy, the one who looks like the Grim Reaper. This man, to tell you what a clown show this is, this man right here brags about being homeless. Now, this man who brags about being homeless is the one who was put in charge of collecting money for Othal Wallace. Did you hear me? They were able to collect about, if my memory serves me correctly, about $40,000. That's good money for an attorney. That wouldn't be the end all and be all, but at least it would be a good beginning because, you know, attorneys are very expensive. It would be enough to at least retain an attorney. Well, this man right here, who calls himself Danger Remy and who curses everybody out, I mean, what a character he is. He went as far as to say, if you want the money, yeah, he held back about $18,000. And he told anyone who was concerned, if you want the money, come get it. Well, it's hard to come get money from someone who doesn't have a fixed address. And this man brags about the fact that he's homeless. So I'm sure that people would love to go get the money and give it to Othal Wallace since it was collected for Othal Wallace. But this man is keeping the money and telling people while he's cursing at them, if you want it, come get it. Well, considering, sir, that you're living outside of your car, I think that'll be pretty difficult. But there's a whole cast of bizarre characters that have joined in on this case. And I just don't see a way for Mr. Wallace to get a fair shake, or in his case, I just don't see how it's going to happen. So I will keep you all informed. I will definitely keep you all informed. Stay tuned.